Was he really forced into the city boy movement? People are beginning to ask questions. Every time he makes a post, controversy seems to follow. Now questions are being asked about Obi Cubana, his influence, his wealth, and his recent political associations. Is there more to the story, or is it just social media noise? Let's break it down.
Zoom here. Zoom.
Zenko. One.
Zenko.
Zenko.
Two. What about Zenko 2?
Zenko. Three.
The
greatest to ever do it.
C for energy.
One. C energy.
It's number.
One.
Have to support the movement.
C energy. Two.
No, we have to support the movement. Yes. It's unstoppable.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we have to support the movement.
C energy.
The time has come for us to be
Everyone will manage
we can't negotiate from
logistics.
There's
logistics. I retouch. I'm more with God. On my own. My younger brother. What? Company. Hams Divine. Thank you.
So we have 5 states in Southeast. Imo. Anambra. Abia, Enugu, and they are all represented.
I'm much coming.
I'm not going to video.
Movement. My movement is like a movement that I go for. Here I know city boy movement. So movement.
So you're a city boy. You're going on the city boy movement. I mean, you're going fresh. Brand new 2026 buses.
How many pieces?
100 pieces.
How many pieces?
This is what we call starter. When we go for dinner, starter. Our lifestyle can get with politics, not your kind of politics. So, we call premium city boy movement. Not in our car only.
No, this is the greatest support that has come from any other zone. And what it means that now,
100%.
Jagaba, I have one.
Recently, a wave of reactions has flooded social media, with some users criticizing a respected Igbo businessman and titled figure. There are also circulating claims from individuals said to be close associates, raising questions about his political alignment, his role in recent movements, and even his billionaire status. But how much of this is verified and how much is speculation? Now, many of you will remember a viral video involving Ituma Chukwuemeka, also known as Enviable. In this video, he appeared to express frustration over governance issues in Ebonyi State. Interestingly, not long after, reports emerged linking him with a different political direction.
Good evening, everybody. How are you and how is the weekend treating you? I hope you're fine. I hope you're good. My name is Ituma Chukwuemeka Enviable, and I'm doing this video because of one gentleman who contacted me from the IG. So 2 years ago, I went to the village. I found out that they were still using the same system we were using when I was growing up to get water that they used to cook. They go to stream to fresh water, then the other borehole that the government made available for them, which was very hard before it even bring out water. So I did the normal pump water for them and then provided them with solar so that the water will be running 24/7. Since last year, a lot of people started contacting me from a point data saying, we have a problem, don't have water in our community. So I feel like they were joking. But then one of them was persistently telling me, reminding me. So I decided to send one of my staff that stays in a point state and say, okay, can you go people to this community, check what is their means of drinking water, at least drinking water. He went there, did a lot of videos and sent to me. To be sincere, I wasn't really happy. Everywhere in a point state needs to have good drinking water, no matter what it will cost us. Personally, my foundation is going to make sure that this happens. From tomorrow, which is the 1st February, I want everybody that is in a point state, if you found out that your community doesn't have a pump water, a public pump water, not the one that people use in their private school, I want to make sure that at least people should see good water to drink. So how do you contact our unit? Giving you a follow-up video to tell you how you connect to these people and have their phone numbers, their mails, whatever you need, even their social media handle, so that everybody will be going through that process. Once you talk to them, they come and they found out that, oh, this is real, they go and get it done.
This sudden shift has led to mixed reactions, especially among observers who feel public figures should maintain consistency. At the center of the current controversy are unverified claims suggesting possible pressure on certain individuals to align politically, allegations of financial incentives behind political movement, and questions about authenticity and influence. It's important to state clearly, these claims by these people remain unconfirmed and should be treated with caution. In today's digital space, information spreads fast, but not all of it is accurate. What we are really seeing here is a bigger issue: public trust. When influential figures change political positions, associate with controversial movements, or remain silent during key moments, people begin to ask questions. But at the same time, we must also consider the complexity of politics, personal decisions made behind closed doors, and the possibility of misinformation. Across social media, especially among Nigerians and the Igbo community, reactions have been intense. Some feel disappointed at Obi Cubana and his cohorts. Others are simply asking for clarity. And many are questioning whether wealth, influence, and political alignment are truly what they appear to be. At the end of the day, this situation highlights one key thing. In politics and public life, perception matters just as much as reality. Until verified facts emerge, it's important to stay informed, avoid jumping to conclusions, and separate facts from speculation. What do you think about all of these revelations by Obi Cubana's close friend? Do you think they were truly paid the amount of money that was speculated in the video, or is there more beneath the surface? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Obi Cubana, coordinator. All the good business now we do now na percentage in the college. Who is in nke na? Who is in nke now? Osia na business na Nigeria. Osia bụ onye Igbo na business na Nigeria. What are you saying? I'm not glad to do na. Osia bụ onye Igbo na business. Good. Okay, so no here. Good. Now, I will innocent na Igbo. Then innocent obo when it comes to business. I will take a son. I will prominent player in the business in Canada. Or see the business. Even the night will come for the problem. I can go the OT with no problem. I can go the OT with no problem.
I can go the OTA.
I can the OTA. I can the OTA, yes.
I can get 100% OTA. He that is without a sin, let him cast the first stone. I can be OTA. When I came back from China 2019, it's a restaurant and that Lagos one. I think that you are pushing me to want to tell my friend's problem on life. This is Dagogo now with the comment now. They come my land to study the drink. More no beer. Now my land, they confirm 500,000 naira for you. No wife. Say you don't spend money. 500,000. This guy now where you see now with the comment now. On my land is steady. I dey my land to 3 a.m., 4 a.m. I don't sleep. People will know me know. Do you understand? Piglet.
No, what are you saying?
Piglet, I will tell you this thing for free as my friend.
Talk. I didn't hear.
Everybody will fuck up for City Boy movement for a reason. I can call their names and I'll mention how much they were paid. If I don't get them accurate, I go there in between.
Okay.
if I call somebody like Zenko, I will tell you, say, this portion of land was released. You got a call from Sheyi Tudumbu and I can tell you everything that transpired and how much was being paid. I got to Obi Cubana. I shut up. I no agree talk. You know why I no agree talk? Because his own is not ordinary. All of us with the here can help Obi.
Help him to do what?
Help him to come out of where he is because they will have for neck. You see, person who I don't feel blame for this whole thing. Now, let me not tell you why I will not blame him.
Now, me carry and go where you enter.
Let me not tell you why I will not. Where, let me not tell you, Iglet. I know. Make I tell you why I don't feel blame him.
Why you not blame him?
I support him. He's not happy. He
loves
me and you more than anything that he's supporting.
He loves Gino. Gino love.
He loves me and you more than what he's supporting.
I want all of me and you. I want all of me and you. In the origin of everybody, this waka, not the only and the Ivan alone in Nigeria, not the only and.
Iglet, I want to ask you one simple question. If they tell you that you die tomorrow morning or to support something, what will you take? Anyone or two to
Baba, let me tell you one thing about that. Why I don't observe. Why I understand.
So far, they say CMC, they fear, get the fuck out of here. CMC, I told you, I'm not told you anybody.
One thing about that, death they like sleep. My mama don't die. When I came back to Nigeria last year, June, I keep my mama for life support machine. Now that one why I see finish. I can't understand. Say I've seen it all.
Where are they bring this CMC boy down? Because block to go do this son.
Lapugodo.
Block Oramonia. Block Oramia.
Block Oramia.
Block all you idiot. I mean, idiot.
So now when
this CMC boy down. Thunder about this boy. On your boy, don't Chileka Pongo. Son of idiot. Go down to what they are talking. Call a spade. Ignorance is not an excuse. I'm not supporting Obi, but I will tell you why. Before I go come up for this life, I will tell you why he's supporting that nonsense.
Hold on, my talk, man. Hold on. So that the hear me, Abi? Good. When my mama did that life support machine, my mama know the talk. The machine they make and they breathe. And they look my mama. Weeks they go down. Weeks. My mama do for Evercare Hospital.
We block by that guy. Son of Guinea _ solid. Yeah, I can block. I come in and who's comment here. Block or I'm here. Pia block. I don't call block. Block or I block. I come and give me on block. Block. I just call one life again.
I block.
I block. I should get out. One night. I mean, I bet you
go. I block. Son of man, my block again later. Yeah. So now. Maman fight, give the fight, all bow, pata. Look at us in Otego. Maybe even now, one I am. One yes. Death be like sleep. As I do like this, now I get this, why I go die? I don't know. You got to go. I need the way you come, I go accept them. Idiot. When my operation, no operation in there now. And I'm no operation now 8 hours. I know many things why I see. I just struggle to wake up. But I'm helpless. I see white. Whoever I do, the kid will go see a man Nancy. Only on a stand small. Even no the too far. I know saying like that you could be. So either why I come back to Nigeria. I could go to me, buy a would do the obly. I don't matter of my door to wait for more. I thought if people will know me right from university time, they tell you, I don't matter of my door, I'm not in this fear. So when many men went there to come, buy a one, something when they inevitable, he go come. Now only but one day, Baba. Do you understand? So now that I'm still living, I will make use out of my time. I'm still coming for all these local government chairman where they southeast to all these people where they give allocation, where do they work. I just the way to make the way when people begin to send me okay, this side, say this people do the work, this side. I'm still coming for all these people.
Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? Do you know the difference between you and Radio Guard?
The
difference between you and Radio Guard.
Okay, what's the difference between you and Radio Guard? What? Tell me.
The difference between you and Radio Guard is that you have sense. He does not have sense. And I don't talk this thing before. I said you can decide to be non-political and say, I don't want to support no political party. Leave me alone from this nonsense. I just want to be Obi Cubana and don't talk to nobody. I don't want to care about these things. I focus on my people because my people made me. And for the fact that my people made me, I want to remain with my people. When I now found out that Obi Cubana does not even have that choice was when I start forgiving him. Because the information that I have, if you have that information, you will also forgive him. And the information that I have, if you have that information, listen, you see how you feel about him is how I feel about him. But when I got the right information, I start forgiving him. Apart from that inside information where I find, I for no forgive him. Me and you for the same position. But when I found out Obi Cubana,
okay, let me just agree on this thing. Let me just believe if you 30%. Now that in on a tight corner, let's assume that now coordinator on a tight corner, or know what they need the impetus. Okay, you where my own way say, and you will lack a knowledge.
I like to go Kukwana, or Maconi on a cuisine.
Okay, the thing about you is that you will lack a knowledge.
Okay,
and what a tight corner. He decided to be on that tight corner. He decided to be on that tight corner. And what if you look at him now from now till December next year? Come for TV in there.
Iglet, you will forgive him.
More. I want to go there over there.
He get bad about Obi Cubana.
One thing
after this life, after this life, I will call you on the phone one-on-one. And I will tell you two things that will make you forgive him.
Not forgive. And what are you not forgiving at this movement? Because Nigeria are not after
that is the difference between him and the others because he's living differently.
No, if this time. This movement.
Nigerians, listen. If you know,
you cannot leave this.
You know the problem. You know the problem. You know the problem Nigerians have. The problem Nigerians have is that Nigerians don't know the power they possess. Nigerian people does not know that they are powerful. Nigerian people does not know that their word matters. Nigerian people don't know say they can turn a big man to an ant. Nigerian people don't know say they do get power. Nigerian people don't know say they very powerful. You people have given a lot of people sleepless night. Nigerian people can change this whole thing. Baba, I tell you as a brother and as a friend. If this person decides to join us tomorrow, let's welcome him and forgive him.
My forgiveness I don't know till after election. My forgiveness, a man must be low key. If I go to symphony in all, you cannot be low key again and be doing this time.
No, low key.
No, you don't come out. You say you don't come out. You go complete them. You don't come out. You say you don't come out.
If the person say he know they do again, that he wants to
no, you go do
to us,
no,
we
you go do
forgive him.
Enable us. Who is us?
Us is all of us. Yeah.
No, you go complete them. You go complete them to the end.
Us is every meaningful Nigeria that is supporting today.
You go complete them to the end, Baba.
England, is all of us here. All of us
Baba, he has gone far to come back. He has gone back.
He never go anywhere. We need him back.
No, we need him. No. You go do and finish. You go do and finish. I beg, if you are on the top of food, tell us to make him the day front. I know they like that back way in the day. If they day for stage, he go back, go stay. What do you mean?
Obi Cubana is a good man. The difference between Obi Cubana and Emenike is two things.
Don't judge that guy with Emenike.
I will tell you why. I won't tell you why. I want to Emenike the difference between Obi Cubana and Emenike, listen. Emenike could not be compromised. Emenike could not be compromised.
So you know, say I compare then you know.
You don't know what I'm saying. Emenike could not be compromised. Allegedly, was compromised. That's all.
If you gonna allegedly, that's all you are there.
All compromisation. That's all.
If you gonna allegedly,
because only when American compromise higher, only can you make worse to carry a big better.
No, but I'm not getting it.
I compromise to something.
I compromise with
Iglet or the Lubana. I will tell the Munyan mother before. Let's start from because I'm a Munyan mother, 3 or 4.
I thought the Munyan mother. I thought the Munyan mother. It's a good
Can I go with your mother before? Can I be with your mother?
Oh, yeah, you're moving at you.
Comment section.
You think you're not a billionaire?
Emmanuel Loha.
Only this thing go where by it, only by go like, one of them I want to
see. Oh, my name, Emma.
Why am I mother?
Oh, my leg around came by this year.
This year, I don't know about that this year. What the father for man? You don't want to know.
Life of my man.
You don't want to know that.
God in heaven should bless me with your sense and take that 1 billion from me and give me that sense we can give you.
Never do so for the man there.
Our people say, huh? There are 10 Igbo men you should avoid till you die. There are 10 Igbo people where the men, any business where they do, you put money for there. You are a cost person, you're a stupid person.
If they want
to win, let them win. If they want to win election, you know what happened for that way something where you post. You don't even know what happened. Should I tell you what happened?
I know. I just pray make I see where happened because they wrong.
Make I tell you what happened. Make I tell you what happened for what? Should I tell you?
What happened?
Okay. They gave them 30 billion for that palliative way you see there.
I hear say they never drop 1 naira. Say for what?
No. Listen to me. Listen to me. Do you know me? Do I talk nonsense?
Okay.
They gave them 30 billion allegedly. Sheyi Tinubu brought 30 billion. The one who get big belly.
You got my sense here. You got my sense.
Listen to me now. The one who get big belly allegedly we pregnant woman that I know.
And what allegedly more than who know
the one we get belly when they pay his son school fees now.
Come and do DNA.
Wrote
Come and do
a
DNA.
list of people where they go share the palliative. All his staff, they was in the field there. We go carry machine, we go carry car, we go carry everything. Sheyi, being a bad boy, carry his own list, come.
So who paid the 30 billion? Who paid him?
Allegedly, Sheyi gave 30 billion for Southeast. Allegedly to the son of late Iwanyan.
Okay.
The son of Iwanyan. Son of Iwanyan allegedly took 20 million and gave took 19 billion and gave 11 billion to alleged them. They don't buy the whole things. Now, if you watch poster where they do, some people face no day for the poster. Those ones first they vex as they enter away. And all our brothers will leave their wife. Everybody where they see will leave their wife for Abuja, for Lagos. Follow them though when they say it's day for hotel. They pay hotel. Those ones are hungry people. We want go knock girls where they will. They put them for hotel. All of them day for hotel. They wait make Sheyi come. As Sheyi come. Sheyi carry a minister from a Boeing state come. We put the name of a Boeing people. Because he declared and said this palliative is for the Southeast, not for Were. But these people felt that the 30 billion will enter now for Imo State. After that, they will do Anambra, they will do Abia, they will do Ebony. So 30 billion times, every talks where they carry come, will be cultists, where they carry come, no receive 1 naira. Now they are looking for their payment.
Now, the cultists will do with it. We'll guide them for there.
They'll find their payment now because the unknown gunmen where the people will come from, where get the palliative, where their minister, they call their name, they say, this palliative is your own. Take it. If you must Sheyi know where am I you want to show my truck on them, he's up from there.
My very good friend, Sheyi. My very good friend, Sheyi.
Your very good friend, Sheyi. Eshina truck on them. Zoro kopa. Vupia.
My very good friend, Sheyi Balonso.
As I speak to you now, the whole court is up on their balance. My very good friend, Sheyi, no cannot trouble, or put a bit in a trouble.
My very good friend, Sheyi Balonso.
Your very good friend, Sheyi, Brana Truck Nami, Fifo Canon.
Now, come and do DNA, come and do DNA.
Come and do DNA, Canona Trop now because the court is okro, Okube Hogo.